Mais ils sont là avec toi.
William Stars cucumber.
Yeah, we're behind the scenes.
Wagwan Raw fam, welcome to another Rawsome recipe. As usual, I'm here with the in-house raw chef, Kadeen, the fruit bee queen of Fruit Blossoms.
We want you to understand that there is healing in natural foods. Stephanie said she doesn't just drink it for drinking its sake. Yeah, that's how it is.
Good. I'm surprised how creamy it is, and it's filling. Like it's very rich and decadent.
Honestly, my taste buds are on a journey right now. Like, me I try to understand like what's going on, but it's definitely interesting.
What I like with this is that it shows the versatility of plant-based foods, and it inspires me to be more creative and to just think outside of the box and use fruits and vegetables in ways that I never even thought was possible, just outside of what was traditionally used.
I give my feedback on it. Honest.
I try to put everything in their mouth.
Not you want you to know what this would taste like.
That's really good.
Ah.
What? I'm not mean in there.
And no meat in there. For the global audience, what she's actually saying. And there is no meat in it.
Right.
I've never had sushi, and I'm like, this is what I've been missing all this time. Wow. It was really good.
I really enjoy this, which is the pumpkin with the cheese, the vegan cheese of course, and I enjoy the cabbage dish. It's great. I like how it tastes like it's cooked, but it's not cooked. And the sushi was pretty great already. I haven't tried the plant wraps, but so far so good. Being that I'm not vegetarian, I'm not vegan, but I would eat this.
Coming to this event, I'm learning more as to how I can make my meals more interesting, as well as new things I can do with just fruits and vegetables, which we never thought of doing before. So I would say it's a good avenue to go and try for everybody.